Asuntoskeittiö Helsingin Katrin puisto.
This is also very nice today. It was completely impossible to be inside here, no, but we did it. On the 22nd of July 2024, here we have Käenkuja, Käenkuja, 8 stickers A, Jonas stickers BCD here, all of them for a filmed. They deserve to be filmed out because it's not just Otis GeN2, but they're master lucky houses.
Yeah.
These are a bit unusual for sure. For a 10th floor high residential building, that's best.
Yeah.
Okay. Also the townhouse here. Built in 2001, finished in 2002, December SB1, D3182. Turn of the year, 2001, 2002, so stakes is C and D are from the beginning of 2002.
Yeah.
That's why this is more interesting. So that's the oldest of the door around here. I like the sounds in the smell.
So,
I think best is 8 versions of these diagrams.
this bike was that maintained by Kony, only staircase B is maintained by Craftis.
Oh, okay. That's not more than that.
Yeah. You can see both the light and arrow here. Just, normally they change at the same time, but here no.
Ah, that's strange. Then that's an exception here.
Yeah.
This is also insert 997 as Helsinki has force was only in Finland. Thank you for watching. And you can take BC and D here.
That's